Did you know, back in our homeland, a traditional Hmong funeral service could last as early as 1 week to 1 month long? Well, here in the United States, a traditional Hmong funeral service could last as early as 1 day to 4 days long. The funeral expenses is estimated to be roughly around $30,000 US. To attend to these costs, the mourning family accepts donations from family, friends, and relatives. These donations can come in forms of money, livestock, or food. Nyaj literally translates to sunshine money. But in this context, metaphorically, this term connotates to blessings of longevity, prosperity, and good health to the mourning family for years to come. Today, I will be providing you all a phrase that I learned from my father as a child to thank these generous donors. It goes something like this. O chao lo, lo ha ta, ying vi pe che xiao jiu, tao ke plu ke to, ke po ke jong, ko chi jia le, ko zhuo san ning san cha, san zhuo san zhe, san gu san di, dong ceng dong li, nye za gong cha, kle jia gong long, zhang zhu ga ga, to ba pe che xiao jiu, dan klan da ko, da po leng di, xiao jiu zhou o lu neng, che yong yu ge chan du, xiao jiu zhi zhou o lu neng, che yong mo ge chan du, jiao mong zhu rong zhu zhuo si, e wo ge zhao lo. There are various phrases that you can interchange. For example, in the first part, instead of saying lo ha ta ying vi pe che xiao jiu tao ke plu ke to ke po ke jong, you could say something like this. Lo ha ta du chi ngu te du ngu te. In some cases, additional phrases are to be included. For example, when family or relatives come and formally pay their respect, also known as o ko, you must include a phrase to acknowledge this traditional action. It would go something like this. To shai nu lao ge ho ta. In addition, specific items are also brought during this time as donations, which should be identified with another phrase. Nya jiu jiu, bu geng chuan de, xiao ceng, yi dun bo ru mo. In conclusion, I would like to remind everyone that there are various versions in which you can say this general phrase. Most importantly, this phrase should come deep down from your heart, and these collective efforts should be reciprocated when needed as well.